Building a business application typically takes weeks of requirement analysis, data modeling, interface design, workflow configuration, and report development.
However, in this video, I will show how that entire process can be significantly accelerated.
Down to around 1 hour by using Claude AI in VS Code together with the Cogover platform.
Through this demo, you will see how Cogover enables businesses to create management applications
tailored to their own operational requirements through AI prompts, without the need for complex programming.
You can see how AI is applied directly to the application building process on Cogover.
Before walking through the implementation process, I will first show you the completed application. This is a real estate CRM application created with Claude AI on the Cogover platform, designed around sales management workflows in the real estate industry. The application includes several key modules. Reports, used to monitor management reports such as the dashboard and sales lead summary. Projects and inventory, used to manage real estate projects and property inventory. This helps businesses track active projects, available units, inventory status, and other property-related information. The most important module in this CRM is customers. This includes objects such as leads, which are used to manage potential customers. Site visits, which are used to manage customer appointments for project or property visits, and deals, which are used to manage sales opportunities or ongoing transactions. In addition, the application also includes a brokers module, with brokers and commissions for managing real estate agents, channel partners, and related commission information. Finally, there is a marketing and service module, with campaigns used to manage marketing campaigns, lead sources, and customer engagement activities. This video will have 6 main parts, as shown on the screen. The first step in building the application is to create the foundational set of objects. Instead of manually creating each object one by one, I will use Claude AI directly in VS Code, together with the Create Cogover Object skill, to help design the initial object structure for the application. At this stage, I will start with a high-level business requirement. Specifically, I will prompt Claude to design a CRM for real estate sales management in the Indian market. The goal is to create the foundational objects for a real estate CRM application on Cogover. In the prompt, I will describe the key requirements. The application needs to support real estate sales workflows and include objects related to leads, projects, properties, site visits, deals, payments, brokers, commissions, and campaigns. In addition, I will ask AI to generate the necessary business fields for each object. After running this prompt, Claude AI will analyze the business requirements and propose an initial set of objects. It will generate an Excel file that contains the proposed object structure, including all objects, their fields, and relationships, formatted according to Cogover's import standard. However, this is only the first suggestion based on the data logic. For the actual application, I want the object structure and menu organization to align more closely with how end users will interact with the app on Cogover. Therefore, I will not use the first result immediately. Instead, I will continue prompting Claude to refine the structure based on the application I want to build. After having desired app structure, I will access the Cogover platform, navigate to the settings section, and select Create Fast from Excel file to import the file and automatically generate the objects. When the file is uploaded to the platform, Cogover will read the structure from the file and automatically create the corresponding objects in the system. When opening each object, you can also see that the necessary data fields have been created automatically. At this point, the object creation step is complete. After creating the object structure and the required data fields, the next step is to create the application layout. In this section, I will use lead as the representative object for the demo. I will continue using Claude AI and VS Code together with Cogover's object layout skill to create layouts for the lead object in the demo workspace. Specifically, I will ask AI to create two main layouts. The first one is the create layout, which is used when a sales representative creates a new lead. The second one is the view, edit layout, which is used when a user opens an existing lead to view details or update information. In essence, I only need to describe the purpose of the layout, and AI will automatically group the fields into appropriate sections and generate a layout structure that fits real estate sales workflows. Once Claude finishes the task, Cogover will create the two corresponding layouts for the lead object. When creating a new lead, the interface will be more concise and focused on data entry. When viewing lead details, the interface will be more comprehensive, helping users track key information and make better follow-up decisions. After completing the app setup, the next step is to generate sample data. At this stage, I will continue using Claude AI in VS Code, combined with Cogover's object record skill to create sample records for the application. In the prompt, I will ask Claude to generate 20 sample records for the lead object within the Real Estate CRM application. Once the AI finishes running, when returning to the Cogover platform, you will see that the records have been automatically created. You can apply the same approach to generate sample data for other objects as needed. After setting up the objects, layouts, and sample data, the next step is to create reports and management dashboards. At this stage, I will describe to the AI which metrics I want to track, which objects the data should come from, how the data should be grouped, and what types of charts should be used. I will enter the requirements into Claude AI as shown on the screen. Based on this input, Claude AI will translate the requirements into report and dashboard configurations directly on the Cogover platform. Once the dashboard is created, you can navigate to the dashboard section to view all management metrics in one place. After creating the objects, fields, and layouts, the next step is to create a new application called Real Estate CRM. To create the application, I will go to Objects, then select Application Management. I will click Create Application. On the application creation screen, I will fill in the basic information such as the application name, description, icon, and any other display settings if needed. After saving the application information, I will move to the menu item list section. For example, I will first create a menu item for leads. I will click Create Menu, enter the menu name as Leads, and in the menu item type field, I will select Navigate to Object. Then, in the Object Selection field, I will choose the Leads object that was created earlier. Finally, I will click Save. I will repeat the same steps for the other objects in the app. Once all menu items have been created, the Real Estate CRM app will have a complete navigation structure. Users can then access each part of the system directly from the navigation bar. Finally, I will demonstrate how to create a process on Cogover using Claude AI. For this demo, I will use a practical real estate scenario, payment milestone reminder. This process is used to automatically track and remind upcoming payment milestones in real estate transactions. I will enter the requirement into Claude AI. Once the requirement is submitted, Claude AI will understand the objective and generate the corresponding workflow on Cogover. If there are any issues in the process, you can simply provide feedback to the AI, and it will automatically refine and correct the workflow. Using the same approach, you can create many other workflows on Cogover by simply describing your business requirements to the AI.
You can see that building a complete application on Cogover can be done very quickly without complex coding. This is made possible by Cogover's 3-layer architecture.
Cogover is built on a 3-layer architecture where each layer is constructed on top of the one below. With this architecture, AI can operate deeply across each layer of the platform. The first layer is the object manager, or the data layer. On Cogover, everything starts with objects, which are data entities that represent different types of information, such as projects, tasks, employees, customers, and more. Each object not only stores data, but also comes with drag-and-drop interfaces, display rules, security rules, state transition rules, and change history. At this layer, AI can assist in creating objects, fields, lookups, and overall data structures. The second layer is business logic. This layer provides tools to configure BPMN workflows, role-based access control, automation, notifications, document templates, and task assignment rules. With this layer, the system not only stores data, but also governs how data flows and operates in real business scenarios. Here, AI can assist in creating workflows, automations, tasks, conditions, and notifications. The third layer is the application layer. Based on the data and business logic configured in the lower layers, users can build complete applications such as CRM, task management, inventory, HR systems, and extended modules like omnichannel, call center, and order management. All of these can be customized to match how each business operates. At this layer, AI can assist in creating layouts, menus, reports, dashboards, and overall user experience. With this 3-layer architecture, businesses can not only build applications faster, but also continuously customize, extend, and evolve their systems to align with real-world operational needs. The real estate use case in this video is just one example. The same approach can be applied across many industries and departments. For instance, in a sales management scenario, the system can be built in a similar way using simple prompts with Claude AI in VS Code. The key point is that businesses do not need a large IT team to start building their own applications. As long as they clearly understand their business processes, Cogover, together with AI, can help translate those requirements into real applications much faster.
If you would like to learn more about building enterprise applications on Cogover, or explore opportunities to co-develop industry-specific solutions with us, you can join the Cogover Partner Program. This program gives partners the opportunity to leverage the Cogover platform, build tailored solutions,
and expand their implementation capabilities for business applications in the AI era.
Contact the Cogover team for consultation and a free trial.